They're free.
Okay.
Rentals.
Come on, family.
This is their new promo.
Do you want to help me drive?
Scooters, hut rentals.
So, I am in Florida on vacation for my wife's birthday. It's also Memorial Day weekend, but we got this pretty dope Airbnb here with a massive pool, but literally everything is flooding. Guess there's like a hurricane or something. I don't know. So of course me and Greg are going to run to the liquor store and I'm going to see if I can find some big Sun Wilson shenanigans to do. Greg, can't even see the road. It's like a boat. Look at it. Oh, they're boating. Oh, hold up. Come to Florida for the sunshine and beaches, right? Oh my goodness. Greg, it's a boat.
Water truck, yes.
Yeah. No kidding. The flooding is real. Just the spray coming off the sides of your car is a boat. I want to cut a little left. Is it fine, Greg? Is it all fine?
It's not even deep.
What are you talking about? Look at this. So you know I couldn't spend a vacation without riding at least something. This is it. This is the whip. This is going to be the puddle splasher. I'm so hyped. Let's get it. Greg said start it up.
Start it up!
Oh, do you feel that torque?
No.
Who's ready? Got the bus. Are you ready? Oh, here she comes. Check out this beach or just keep rolling?
So, tell us, how was the first experience on the water cart?
It's slow, but it does the splash thing.
I think that truck is a puddle. You want to take your sweater off?
Anyway.
Yeah.
Let's get to where.
Some ridiculous waves.
Okay, then yeah.
I'm gonna send it.
Did you find these or are these Alice's?
It's not looking promising.
Told you you're gonna get stuck.
It's not great.
Told you you're gonna get stuck.
Easy peasy.
They did it! That's silly.
They dug it out a bit. Oh, wait, he's going. He's still going.
Oh, you just needed more speed, you know?
Oh. prove it wrong, you know.
We just got a sunset.
Huh? Yeah, oh my gosh, tell him that. Hi!
Oh god, they're getting away. Are you giggling? Oh, come on, it's shallow. Let me get in front. I did! I'm so sorry! Hold on! Where are you going? I don't know! Today, the Pirates Gallery lost a good man. Saved from going overboard. Old man, it's gone too soon. Rest in peace, Christy's family. Do the deed, Greg. Eat him! Oh! Greg! Oh. Jesus Christ. Rest in peace, little homie. Yar har fiddly bee. Being a pirate is my life for me. Do what you want, because pirates are free.